Hello and welcome back everyone to this channel, and today in this video tutorial I will show you how you can check variable if the variable contains a number or not. So for that, here we will use the two method, each instance and type of the Python. Let's start. Now first thing I want to say, a number can be integer or float. Float means a decimal. Now let's create a variable and store number. So I will call it variable and store number 10. Now to check if this variable is a number or not, right here if each instance, then to this method, to this function, first specify the variable whose type you want to check. So here I will type variable. Now second, specify the type which you want to check. So here number can be integer and float, like this. If it is, then print it is a number. It is a number. Otherwise, print the variable is not number. Let me make it zoom for you. Now run this code, and as you can see in the output, it is showing it is a number. So as you can see here, variable store the integer value 10. Now if you change to some string like ABC and run this, and you can see in the output it is showing the variable is not number. So here each instance takes a two value. First is the value that you want to check, second is the type of the value that you think that this variable has that type. So in this case, when we specify the integer, then this each instance checks if the variable is of type integer or a float. If it is not, then print the variable is not number. Now let's change it back to the float value like 10.5 and run this code. Now it is working fine. Now the next method that we have is a type, which also allows you to know the type of the variable. So here we're going to use this same variable. Now let's check if type, then to this type function you need to provide the object or the variable whose type you want to know. So in this case I'm going to type variable, then int and float. Now let's here print if it is, then the variable is a number. Otherwise, else print the variable is not number. So let's execute this code, and you can see in the output the variable is number, because you can see here the variable contains 10.5, which is the number. Now if you change to this string and type here something like any string sum, and then execute this code, and as you can see, wait, let me execute this line. Now execute this one. The variable is not number, you can see here, because here you can see variable stores string. So this is how you can use the each instance and type function in Python to check the type of the variable. Now here I want to introduce one more method that you can go here on this website pythonguides.com, check if variable is a number in Python, and if you scroll down and you will see here the topic, check if variable is number in Python using RE module, which uses the irregular expression to know if the variable contains a string or number. So if it contains string, then it says the variable is not a number, and if it contains the number, then it says variable is a number. So at last I want to say, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and thank you.